Next, what we'll discuss some terms we are going to discuss. Very simple terms regarding of this. Okay. Before going to discuss some terms, we will once again write the expression for the conductivity according to quantum theory, electron theory. The expression for the conductivity n e square tau divided by okay m. Okay. So this is the once again I am repeating, n is the concentration electron concentration, E is the charge of an electron, and tau is the time realization, and m is the mass of an electron. These that, or we can call that some of effective mass. Effective mass, when mass is not going to change, but somewhat we are going to consider the change of its way of the masses. Okay, so this is called effective mass. We'll come to know effective mass and all these things. Okay, so some of the simple terms we are going to write here. What is the simple terms? For example, mobility. What do you mean by mobility of electron? See, mobility of electron, for example, this is a metal. This is metal. Mobility of electron is defined as that the drift velocity. For drift velocity means Vd. Drift velocity is acquired the electron per unit electric field. Okay, that is called mobility. It means mobility is mu is equal to drift velocity per electric field, E. You can write this as or we can write the drift velocity in the mobility is equal to okay E of tau divided by m. Okay, this can also be written. Okay, this is one equation, mobility. And the Fermi velocity. What is the Fermi velocity? It is denoted by V of F. It is an electron is defined as its velocity when its energy is equal to the Fermi energy. When electron is defined its velocity when its energy level is equal to the Fermi energy, means highest field energy level. That highest field energy means mv square. Okay, mv square is equal to E energy for highest energy, or we can say Vf. Okay, Vf how we will write here. For example, Vf is equal to so this will take here means 2 times of Ef. Okay, V square is equal to divided by m, or Vf is equal to square root of 2 times of Ef by m. This is the Fermi energy. Right. Now another one, Fermi temperature we will discuss. What is the Fermi temperature? It is the ratio of Fermi energy. It is the ratio of Fermi energy at 0 Kelvin to its Boltzmann constant. Okay, that is once again Fermi temperature can be written as it is the ratio of Fermi energy or equal to Fermi energy by its Boltzmann constant T. Okay, remember at its 0 Kelvin. Okay, in that condition whatever the temperature is there, that is called the Fermi temperature. It is denoted by T. Same thing sometimes the Fermi level also. Fermi level is what if you have the energy levels here, the highest field energy level, E1, E2, E3 up to electrons are filled like up to here, remaining are empty. So where it is highest field level is there, this is called the Fermi energy. Generally Fermi energy in the energy level, so where the electrons are occupied the last level, so this level of energy is called a Fermi level energy. Okay, so this is Fermi level. Now Fermi energy is there. Okay, what is the Fermi energy again? As the energy of the highest occupied Fermi level in a metal at 0 Kelvin is called Fermi energy. It is denoted by Ef is there. Okay, so these are the some terms you discussed here. Oh, according to that, the Fermi direct statistic will explain like this. Okay, the statistical rule applied to the distribution of identical or indistinguishable particle of spin off called Fermi ions like electrons, which obey the Pauli exclusive principle. The probability of occupation of a state by an electron is given by the Fermi factor. It is called Fermi direct distribution function. That Fermi direct distribution function is given by f of e is equal to 1 plus e to the power of e by e minus f divided by kt. Okay, this is the Fermi direct distribution. Ef is what? Ef is the Fermi energy, and E is the energy of the state, and K is the Boltzmann constant, T is the absolute temperature T. So In this way the Boltzmann direct distribution can be explained. Or wait, or we can explain this in the graph. For example, you will take here, okay, this is the Fermi energy, okay, you will take here, this is the Fermi energy, EF, okay, this is the function of energy, this is function of energy. For example, Fermi direct energy, this is Fermi energy last year's level, 0, 0.5 and 1 if I take here and so on, okay. If you increases the temperature, okay, if you know that, okay, what is that spin off called the fermions like electrons, which is according to the Pauli's exclusive the probability of the state which obey the exclusive principle, or the probability of occupation of the particle, occupation of the state by an electron, okay, state by electron, like this. When T is equal to 0 Kelvin, the Fermi energy, or here means T is greater than 0 Kelvin, okay. So in this way the variation will be there, like variation is there, this type of variation is going to obtain, or the calculation will obtained by f of e is equal to 1 plus e minus ef. Wait, okay, this is the cut it.